Hello YouTubians! Okay, welcome to another spontaneous special video. This is my busy season at the moment, so I haven't got so much time for kind of planning out my videos. So, fantastic set of cards we have here. I'm gonna let you listen, open the window and let you listen to a Tawny Owl soon. But I just thought I'd show you these wonderful, amazing cards that were issued by Card Links. The artwork was done by Ana Lopez, who's a doctor during the day, but enjoys chilling out with a bit of artwork in between saving people's lives. Here we go, here's a Tawny Owl. Okay, owls are, as you know, quite nocturnal creatures, so we've got to wait until it gets dark. My camera is rubbish in the dark, so it is genuinely... Oh, there you go. Come on. So I'm looking out the window. If my grandma was still around, she'd tell my camera probably to eat carrots. More carrots. That's what she used to tell me. There you go. One more. Come on. So that's what a Tawny Owl sounds like. Some of you are probably thinking, wow, you know, there's all these bird calls. But what I did was I googled Tawny Owl Call and came up with the RSPB website, Royal Society of the Protection of Birds, and conveniently they've got a little sound audio file. So that's how I verified that it was a Tawny Owl. Ta-da! There you go. So that's pretty useful if you want to check out your bird calls. Okay, YouTubians, as well as looking fantastic loose, these cards also look amazing in frame form as well, up on your beautiful wall. And on the backs you can see the descriptions as well, because it's got glass on the backs, so that's pretty cool. And also Card Links issued a set of eagles. If you're into birds of prey, which I know a few of you are, that's why I've done this video. Bald eagle, da-da. National eagle of the USA, short-toed eagle, martial eagle, the golden eagle, which is present in certain locations in the UK. I doubt if I'll see one of those in the wild. That's why I've kind of put this in with the owls. Wedge-tailed eagle and a monkey eagle. So also issued by Card Links, and the illustrations are also by Ana Lopez. So fantastic couple of sets of cards, and I hope you enjoyed listening to the entrancing sound of a Tawny Owl.